Former State Representative Brian Sims, who served part of Philadelphia County until yesterday, was involved in a car crash earlier in the month that injured 2 people. And now those drivers are asking who's going to help cover the cost of all the damage. Fox 43's Harry Lee talked exclusively with the victims of the crash. She joins us with more on their frustration over the entire situation.
Well, car crashes definitely happen, but 2 women from York County told me after an elected official hit their cars, no one is stepping up to take responsibility. They told me they shouldn't have to pay to repair one car and replace the other, which was totaled.
I saw the Jeep speeding. I saw the car stopped in front of him, and I knew that something bad was about to happen.
A black SUV slammed into a stopped car at this Dover intersection around 9:15 a.m. on November 14th.
When I was hit at the side, my whole body went that way, which pulled like my arm in a weird direction. And then I snapped back this way.
Katelyn Alban was driving this car and says that the impact gave her whiplash. Phyllis Fisher, the 74-year-old driving this car, suffered a broken nose and had to be taken away in an ambulance. She didn't want to talk on camera because her face is extremely bruised. Both women now say the driver isn't taking responsibility for the crash. That driver, former state representative Brian Sims of Philadelphia. The problem, Sims was in a state-owned vehicle insured by the state itself. Alban's car insurance company says that the state now won't accept liability.
Come here, Jinx.
Alban's and Fisher's medical bills are covered under their insurance policies. But if the state doesn't take collision liability, both Fisher and Alban will have to pay their $1,000 deductible for repairs, or in Fisher's case, a new car.
I have 5 kids. Right before the holidays, I don't have an extra $1,000 right now. Like, it's just not something that I have.
Officials at the Department of General Services, which oversees state car insurance, wrote in a statement, "The investigation is ongoing and we are unable to comment on ongoing investigations." Multiple attempts to reach Sims for comment were unsuccessful. Northern York Regional Police say they're doing an internal investigation as to why Sims did not receive a traffic citation. There's a 30-day window for charges, though, and they say new evidence may still result in a charge. Sims had announced prior to the accident that he was stepping down as state representative. His last day in office was Wednesday. Harry Lee, Fox 43 News.